Where is the fuse box located on the 2021 GMC Savana, and how can I find the fuse diagram? The fuse box is located under the hood on the driver's side near the battery, and the fuse diagram is printed on the fuse box cover. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2021 GMC Savana houses fuses and relays that protect vital components such as the engine, cooling systems, and lighting. It features easy access with a labeled diagram under the cover to identify fuse locations and functions. It also contains high current fuses for major systems like the starter and alternator. Auxiliary fuse block. Mega fuse holder. Floor console fuse block. The floor console fuse block in the 2021 GMC Savana protects interior electrical systems like power windows, door locks, and accessory power outlets. It is located under the driver's seat and is easily accessible by removing a side panel. The fuse block includes a diagram on the panel cover for quick identification of fuses and their functions.
Type of fuses: blade of fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse. Standard PAL fuse. Link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.